The mechanism of securitization. What is the mechanism of securitization? Various steps involve a securitization mechanism discussed below. What are the various steps? Creating a pool of asset, transfer to special purpose vehicle, sale of securitized paper, administration of asset, recourse to organizer, repayment of funds, credit rating to instruments. Creation of pool of funds. So we are creating first one asset. Then if want we are transferring the asset from special purpose vehicle. Then what? This asset is being divided into shares, any shares, and that is being sold, and it is to be administrated by someone. Then, if any problem come, it's a recourse to the originator. And if required, they need to pay back the money if they got on a sale of securities and credit rating to instrument to analyze this asset, wow is value to market value. So these are the process it involves. So creation of pool of asset what by segregation of asset backed by a similar type of mortgages. So segregating into different asset into based on similarity, segregating on their basis. Or on once asset has been pooled, they are transferred to special purpose vehicle. Yeah, once asset has been pooled and transferred. Special purpose vehicle design instrument based on the pools of asset. What is the asset? What is the value? Based upon that, it is being designed. Administrative asset collects the principal and interest from underlying asset. So we by doing the said what the administration of asset they with that asset they will collect the interest and the principal. Yeah, they gave the money they need now. In case of debenture issue, they require it. Recourse organization. The performance of securitized papers depends on performance of underlying asset. In case of default, they go back to originator. So they are promised to repay the asset. If they had been not been promised or repaid, no, what happens? There will be default. The organization will that people who invested go to SEBI and the SEBI will ask to repay it. Who investor need to repay it. The repayment of funds, a special purpose vehicle will repay the fund to investor from the asset pooled. So based upon the asset pool, they will repay it. So the credit rating of the instrument before the sale of security instrument, credit rating can be done by assessing the risk of issue. They will assess this instrument and they'll say it is A, triple B, C, D, A plus, A minus. Likewise, they will rank it out. So whenever you're going to buy something, you should see this before buying it.